What's up guys, check out this LED pool light. So it comes with this wire that there's also a 100-foot option, there's a 50-foot option, and it's LED light and it's a replaceable light, and it comes with a remote control so you can change the colors and also control the lighting from where you're at. It also comes with this sleeve to protect the wire underwater so that it doesn't get the wire wet. It also comes with these couplings and also a screw that you could screw in to use and get your light into the pool. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install this and we'll show you guys when it's done. All right guys, we got our light all set up and in the pool. You can see it looks very nice. We have it right now so it's alternating colors. You can change the modes, you can set it to just one color. You could add the speed to make it go faster. You lower the speed to make it go lower. You could change the brightness up and down. Use the remote, but you do have to get pretty close to use the remote. But when you're close, it does work. So I'm gonna just change the speed and you can see it, or the brightness, and you can see it goes down and then go all the way back up. And you can see it does get a lot brighter.